Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how you can reset the Microsoft Authentication settings for one of your user accounts that you created within your Microsoft Azure portal. So let's get started. So first of all, here you need to go into your Microsoft Azure portal homepage. So right now I'm on my homepage of the Microsoft Azure portal. So from there you need to go to the Microsoft Entra ID option, where you can manage all the settings for the users that you created. So let's head towards the Microsoft Entra ID account. Now within the Microsoft Entra ID, you'll be able to view the users that you created. So for that, you need to select the users option under the manage subsection on the left hand side of the navigation page. So let's select the users. Now when you select the users, so it will display the list of users that you have created. For instance, I have created only one user in my account. So you need to select your user for which you want to perform the settings. So for instance, I'm selecting the student 1. So here, when you select the student 1 account, on the left hand side again, you need to select the option that is authentication methods right here. Now here let's select the authentication methods. Now when you select the authentication methods, so here you'll be able to view all the authentication methods that are enabled for the particular account. Right now on the top of the screen, here you need to select this option, which is require re-register multi-factor authentication. So in order to reset the authentication, so just select this, and once you select this, you need to say OK. So once it's done, then you are good to go. You have reset the multi-factor authentication settings for one of your user accounts. Now you can sign into the user account once again, and you can set up your Microsoft Authenticator account for that particular user. That's it. I hope your doubt is now resolved. If in case you like this video, please hit like button and add a comment. Thank you so much. Have a good day.